So here's the thing. I think what I want to do is take you on the journey, as Lenny and I talked about. So this is really about the commercial viability of what we can do with Soul Color Cold as well. So what we've done is I simply took these wonderful things we call hands, right? And I think we forget we have these sometimes because we always want to pick up tools. So what I did is I took and kept her in her natural curl state, and I simply took lightener and picked up the curl strands so it encompassed it. Okay? Here's the word I'm using. What I didn't do is brush it all out and try and put it everywhere. So really what I wanted was that marbling effect, like what you saw on our visuals for the trend, and gathered that in and pulled it out. Gathered it in and pulled it out. Lightened that out, and we lightened it up to a level 7. And then what we did is we put the blooming orchid out of the Soul Color Cold, semi-permanent, on those strands, and we did the royal purple everywhere else on her natural level, so all it did was give it a hue. Okay, we're not looking to change it. We're not looking to break the base, anything that way. We're just looking to add that commercial viability. So Lenny, have a little talk of that.
So here's what I loved. How long did it take you, Chris, to put the lightener on?
I mean, probably 5 minutes.
Okay,
and then we process it for about 15 to 20.
Honestly. So totally salon friendly, yes? Putting it on texture, right? You know where to use it when you're actually doing those types of kind of massaging. Where did you use, Chris?
Well, I mean, it's really, I just encapsulate the curl. Yeah.
It's really fantastic. And he did it with our light master, which is perfect for that. The texture is great, and it stays put so it doesn't run, and it's really fantastic.
And then the other thing we're using is our Bond Ultimate. And the thing for us is it's not about, you know, damaging hair and then try and recoup it. We're taking care of the hair the whole way. So Bond Ultimate is something that goes so amazing for us. You don't have to change times, you don't have to fluctuate it, but I want to take care of her hair in the beginning, not when we've damaged it. Let's think about that process. This is Elizabeth. Let's give her a big round of applause.